5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 200. Flat crest, 30. 5 right. Into 4 left. Opens, 100. Flat long crest, 70. 5 right, opens of a crest, 120, turn square left, don't cut. 80. Turn unseen square left, don't cut. 60. 5 left of a crest, opens 150. Flat crest, 100. Flat crest and jump, 150. Long flat crest and 6 right, opens of a crest, 180. Crest, slow 50, turn unseen square right, don't cut. 30. Turn unseen square right, caution don't cut, opens 50. Flat crest, 80. Flat left of a long crest tightens into 4 right of a crest, 100. 5 left, 50, flat crest, into 4 right of a crest, into 4 left long tightens, into 4 right long, opens flat of a crest, into 5 left of a crest, into slow 5 right, immediate turn happy left around bales. 200. Flat jump, 80. Bump into 6 left long, opens flat of a crest, 150. Turn unseen, 1 left, don't cut. Into 5 right, opens 130. Don't cut 5 right, 40. Turn 4 right, don't cut, 40. Turn square left, don't cut. 250. Slow long crest, into turn 3 left. 250, downhill. Turn 2 right, tightens narrow. 80. Flat long crest, 80. 4 right, tightens of a bump. Into 5 left, opens. Slow 50, turn square right. 100. Slow 5 left long, tightens turn unseen 1 left, opens 50. 4 right, opens 120, over finish, turn unseen 1 left, don't cut, to stop.